Welcome back again, and I am informing you the congratulations to coming the today's video after showing the previous video, and today is the next day. As I promised, I will upload the video, and I keep my promise. I will upload the video every day. It will be a 7 days or 8 days session. So today I will show you the module, the working module about how you can make the money from Fiverr from the very next day without any good skill or without knowing any good work. Let's discuss about my topic. It will be Fiverr complete tutorial. So I will discuss first what type of work in Fiverr, okay, and what is the easiest sector to earn from Fiverr. There is a lot of sector I discussed previously in Fiverr, and there's lot of gigs. I mentioned the word gigs. What is gigs? I think the gig is we are giving the offer to the buyer as we are seller, so we are giving the offer to a customer. The way to give the offer is called the gig, and these all are separate gig. Okay, this is a gig, and also this is a gig. Every offer is called a gig, and the buyer will come here to see my gig. They will lead all the requirements. If they like, they will contact, or they will with us, or they will send us the order. Okay, so I think the basic. There is a lot of basic about Fiverr in the YouTube channel. Many channel stay there. You can learn the basic from there. Okay, so I will not discuss about the basic in here. I will only discuss the secret way to earn from the Fiverr without knowing any skill. So my topic is what type of work in Fiverr. It's a little bit discussion. Then what is the easiest sector to earn from Fiverr? What is SMM? What we will earn without any skill? How we will earn without any skill? What service we will provide in SMM? How to get the best service in cheap price? And lastly, how to deal with client in the very next day to get the order. Okay, so stay connect with me for getting all the session within second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 days course. Thank you for your nice time.